Welcome to my channel guys. In this video I will tell you how to fix Shein app black screen problem. So it is easy. So please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Shein app, then tap on app info. Now tap on storage usage option on the top. Now tap on clear cache and now tap on clear data and OK. Now close this app and go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS or iPad. Now tap on search option in the bottom right corner. Now tap on search bar on the top and here type Shein and now tap on OK. So here simply tap on this update button to update this app to the latest version. This will fix the issue. So hope this video will help you. Thanks.